Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, August the 21st, 2024. Today's also War Day number 910. 910 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome back. We have three regular puzzles. One of the puzzles I've already done, the 3-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the binary and the Sudoku with 4 stars. I have not so good news for you today because there are no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. I've shown you earlier, so only these three regular puzzles. And I will continue with this one. This one will be number 9130. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. 27? One more than the previous Sudoku. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be a 1-star. 1-star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Question is it a 4 stars or 1-star puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, 5 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or there. Here or there we see another 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row. Only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. The only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, then let me see which number can I pick. How about need a 5 here. How about well, come on. What's happening? Yeah. One. Come on. Need a 2 there. Yeah. I'm stuck. Well, 6 in this column, 6 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left is 6 should be there. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. And I need a 6 here. And 6 there also. Well, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. I'm thinking, need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Yeah. In this column, we need a 9, second column. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, Here, there, we see another 9 in last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Need a 9. 9. Need a 9 there. 7, 2, and well, 1, 2, 3, 5, and 3, 5, and the 4. I need a 4 here. 3, 5, and the 4. 3, 5. Well, 5 could be here, could be there. 3, 5, 4, and the 3. Come on. 3, 5, and the 7. Need a 7 here or there. So I need a 7 here. Need a 4 here. Come on. 2, 7. Well, in the middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Middle column, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, a 7, and a 9. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2, 7, and a 9 because it's in the same big square. So the 2, 7, and a 9 goes in these 3 boxes in the middle column. 2, 7, and a 9. We have a 9 here, so the 9 could be here, could be there. 2, 7, 2, 7, 2, 7. Okay. So now we have 4 missing numbers. One of missing number is a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. The 3 could be here, could be there. We have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 3 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those. Well, complicated, but yeah, we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Now we have a 1 here. We have a 1 here. That means in this column, the 1 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Because here can be 1, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have another 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Here we have 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So this can be a 2 and more. 2 and the 7 and a 9. Okay. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle, second column. No 2 in these 3 boxes. We have 2 in the second row. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 and the 7 here. No, we have a 2. We have marked those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. Here can also not be 2. We have a 2 in the second row. So the only place left for 2 in the middle row, in the middle column should be here then. So the 7 and the 9 are left here. Okay. 3 and a 6. So need a 7 here. 1, 7 and the. Need a 4. Need a 4. Need a 4. Okay. Yeah. Complicated, but do we have all the 2s? Yeah. No. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Now we have all the 2s, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 2. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4, need a 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, 4, 6, 9, and look, we have a 6 and a 9 in this row, no 6 and a 9 in this box. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there, so 1 is left in this big square for number 4. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row, no 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes and there. 1 and 7, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square, I believe the 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in this big square, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this column, third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left, the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. 1 box left now in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left now in the last row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last column. 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left now in this big square for the number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Wow, is this really 4 stars? I don't think so. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be at 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.